Hello friends, so today I will show you about some features of the Microsoft Word 2010. So here you can see a page, white page, a blank page you can see. So here there are so many options here. You have home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review, view. I will explain you part to part by all. So here is a page, is a blank page. This the side of the page you can see something. It's called the rulers of the page. Yeah, while printing it is needed to you. Here is a page. Here is an up and down arrow to depict what long the page is. Here are so many ribbons. These are called the ribbons. In each case there are so many ribbons as much as. Here is file, so many, and this is the menu bar, means see word 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So these are these 5 7 kinds are 7 box is called the menu bar. Yeah, this is the bar you can see is called a toolbar. This is a toolbar, this toolbar, and this is a mailing bar. Yeah, this is a mailing bar, you can see it. There are so many ribbons here. So these are the features of the Microsoft Word document. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.